afternoon, everybody from the Philippines once again. It's a nice afternoon, late afternoon, almost evening time. It's like 5:27 in the afternoon on this, 10th of February, Monday. So I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a long time, and that's walk down the street and do a little video. I was looking back. I did one a while back. It was like 6 years ago, just to see how things change. Sure, this house wasn't the way it is. I might take that video, do a couple little clips out of it, because things, I'm sure, have changed a little bit. I'm not going that far. Just down the street, stop, and I'll walk back. So we head out the old trusty gate. Let me unlock that. So lock this up before I take off. And so we'll just head down the street, do a little video, see what changed. I will narrate the changes. We have a new water station here, but some things are still the same. Hello. Looks like there's some Zumba classes. So we got a water station. It's the newest thing. Hello. The sorry store is still there. When I filmed this 6 years ago, the road wasn't here yet. They had just knocked down a building, but that is gone. I kind of think like it wasn't so much traffic, but there is now. Traffic. So, and of course the Barangay Hall wasn't painted so nice and pretty. I don't even remember what it truly was, because I wasn't really paying attention. But the ladies are out here getting in shape, so why not do a little video? Those of you from here, you may remember more. So I'm sure I'm gonna have to edit out this music. But there they are. So as we're getting out of earshot of the music, kind of a little rough them doing it there, but they're doing okay. There's the school. There's some apartments. Pretty sure this was a big open field a while back. So let me be mindful of the traffic here. And mindful of the time. Someone got a nice little garden here. There's a little coconut tree and these huge mahogany trees. That's what they are. I'm sure somebody loved to chop that down and sell it. They do have a sort of a recycling thing. I just got to bring my bottles and stuff down here that I want to get rid of. So it's a nice, cool day because it's cloudy, overcast, no sun shining down on you, burning your brains out. You know, I've been down here a lot of times and never really noticed this church here, but here it is. They got a few of them. They have all kind of churches here, even though it's a Catholic country. A lot of Mormon churches and Baptists, which I'm Baptist. So hope everybody getting to look at the changes. Have to keep a keen eye on the traffic because people don't obey no traffic laws here. You'll get run over in a heartbeat. This is a huge house. Covers like a half a block. Very nice though. Nice little kubo there. We're still debating whether we're, I got to do a little pause. Hello.
Where are you going?
Oh, nowhere. I'm just walking and videoing. That's my nephew. All right. Thank you. So, I was kind of talking about the kubos. They're not that expensive here. But we're still kind of like undecided on whether we're going to actually get one or not. Don't really know the practicality. Looks nice, would like to have it, but we just don't know yet. So we'll figure it out later rather than sooner. Oh, this is something new for me. I didn't know BDO was putting a branch here because we got our bank here we bank at BDO. So that's new to me. And we still have Patron gas station where I fill up at a lot. Why? Because it's convenient. All right. As we keep on moving on, this road leads right out to the main highway, if I say it right, Maharlika Highway. But here's a little view of the houses here. It's a nice house right there. Really nice. Never seen it before. Because I need to get out like I'm doing now and walk more. So our little afternoon walk is about almost over. You hear people blowing, yeah. Like I said, pedestrians, you're on your own here. It's a little sorry store again. I need to switch to the other side so I can see who's going to run over me. Hello. Hi. So we're about at the end of our journey. I'm not gonna really, maybe I won't go much farther. There's just a bunch of shops out here. So you see the sign. This is Barangay Delphi. I used to think it was all Gomez, but nope. You gotta look at the signs. I should have showed you where, probably if I remember, I put it on the video, where Barangay Gomez ends and starts. I think it was, I'm not gonna even say because I can't remember. So anyway, this is the main highway. We'll say Cabanatuan City is that way, and if you pan around, San Leonardo, Gapan City is that way, if I got it right. So that's about it. That's a short walk through the village. I am not going a lot farther unless they had a place to buy some beer, in which they don't have places like that here. So I'm gonna cut it off. It's a busy intersection on the highway. This is your reporter, Colin. So wish everybody a nice time. If you got something you want to see, let me know. Thank you very much for joining me.